Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you use free student discount for Apple products online checkout on the online checkout option. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and for content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm gonna go to the apple.com, and if you just search for Apple student discount, you will be taken to this page, and here you will get all the student discounts. So all you have to do is just go to Google and search for free discount Apple, and you will get this link, and you just have to come to this link. Here you can purchase any item with the student discounts. All you have to do is just show your ID and you will be eligible for student discounts. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.